because I considered it last week.
Mm-hmm.
Is it possible also that a lot of consultants and strategists and life coaches and the like are going to go out of business because of the very same fact that with the advent of AI, people are using their AI tools to the extent where they are customizing the tools. I have customized AI tools.
Yeah.
So that
Absolutely.
is something that we definitely have to consider, because remember, we are client-led.
Absolutely. I agree. I 1000% agree. I might have shared a video on it last week where they were talking about, it was two tech founders, but they were talking about how, and I'll reshare it and I'll tag you because it was very interesting. Yeah, they were talking about consultants need to consider themselves on the chopping block as well, because with once you've learned how to use AI, you have access to the world's knowledge at your fingertips in a very customized way. And now what I've started to do in all of my workshops is I actually have and I guess this is the balance that I'm starting to strike. I'm teaching people how to use AI to do whatever our workshop is talking about. I'm teaching them how to do it inside of AI for themselves and getting them acclimated, but they still have to be taught, right? So they still have to be taught how to use it to conduct whatever they're trying to do. And then they still, because we have the mind for what it is that we do, like I still have a marketing mind. You have a business growth mind. Mm-hmm. Even though we're teaching them how to use it in AI, we still have to kind of still teach them the psychology of what it is that we're doing. So I think our jobs are going to, I think if you're good, I think you're going to find your where you could fit in with AI and customers. And I think if you don't figure out how to find that balance in today's day and age, crap will smoke your pipe.
I totally agree. Because here is the thing. You can offer a service as a do-it-yourself or a done-for-you. But you and I both know that most people are lazy. So if you offer them a do-it-yourself option or a done-for-you option, what they usually do is say, Keron, do it for me.
Yeah, but and you make more money.
Because the truth of the matter is less than 1% of your clientele will opt for the do-it-yourself. You have to create the process to allow that 1%, because that 1% client, before they come to you, they have a very clear idea of what they want. They've done the work. They've shopped around. They've done the research. They've read the trade magazines. They've read the articles. So this is 1% of your customers. So the 99% of your customers will say, Keron, I don't have the time.